Hello guys, welcome back again to another episode of Cooking with Sarah's Kitchen. In this video I'm going to show you how to roast groundnuts, so stay tuned so that you get to see how I will be doing it step by step. And in case you are new here, welcome to this channel. Kindly subscribe, watch and share my videos, and thank you so much for supporting me. Honestly, I don't take it for granted, and let's get started. These are my groundnuts, and we want to prepare them before we start cooking. And I have some water and I have salt. So this is what we are going to do. We are going to sprinkle some water, not a lot of water, like that, and we are going to add enough salt, not a lot of salt. That one is enough. And then we are going to mix everything together like this. Once we are done, we're going to use our pan. I'm going to put them into our pan and then spread them evenly. Like cook our groundnuts. We are going to use our cooking stick to turn our groundnuts, or to stir our groundnuts as they cook. You will keep mixing so that they can cook all of them. We'll keep stirring because we don't want them to stick. So you're going to reduce your heat, guys, so that you're not going to burn. Just pick one. You try to remove the skin. If the skin comes out easily, that's when you know our groundnut is ready. You see? Once they are ready, we are going to transfer them in a bowl and let them cool. And guys, my groundnuts are ready. Let me enjoy with a cup of chocolate. And that's it for today, guys. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye. And guys, guess what?
She just wasted the whole time.
What do you think?
In a scale of 1 to 10, 2.
Oh my goodness. Hater.